Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor, and this is Made with Unity Mondays, where you can submit all your clips and I find things from around the world, some of the best game ideas, visual effects, and anything that I can find to inspire you made in Unity. So the first one from Big Rock Games is that the delivery bots look pretty clumsy to me. The next one is something from user Goldfire33, and they've added color grading, post-processing and fog, and doesn't it look beautiful? And user DreamTech has created a flying over water visual effect for their paper flying game. User Cardboard Box is looking to edit their Game Jam game from 2017, a hexagonal little stylized game, and I think it looks cool. User Alexa Flash Queefing says that they can make art, but they can't really program well, but I think it's perfect gameplay mechanics. User Cactus on Fire has made a real-time pseudo light scattering using volumetric lights, and it's amazing. Here's a character movement and combat prototype from user Felek. User LiveTap Studios has Ocean Waved turned into a game mechanic to be able to have different variations when you come to land your plane. User Chatterbox Dev has got their first release of their rocket jump platformer called Propulsion. User Sean Miller is getting his Transformers to ruin everything. NRJ Wolf has created their first game with a really simplistic style. User BadPiggy490 has created a Pongjian crawler. I never knew it was a thing, but it is now. User Behind Window Cat is showing us how we should be able to redecorate our houses. And user Superdance has created a very impactful, if not a little bit brutal, way to kill your enemies. And user Airstrokes has created something which you can capture the point with crumbling edges, and little did he know that it'd be something that he'd release. And the last but not least is something from the Julian Storyboard, and this is their Game Jam game called The Boy vs Junk Food. So be sure to check out all these games, and I'll leave the links in the description for you to check out. You can submit to me for a chance to be featured in these months, but be sure to let me know which one you thought was cool, which one inspired you, because these inspire me every single month. So come and join my Patreon if you want to get access to script my entire projects and so much more that you can't get anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat, and don't forget to check out my fantastic assets on the Unity Asset Store. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.